Hey everyone, I'm Bansal. I'm a founding engineer at the company, and today I wanted to announce the Cortex MCP server. That's something that I've been working on over the last few weeks. So as everybody would know at this point, MCP has taken over the entire world, and everybody is using different kinds of MCP servers to get access to all sort of data right where they live in their IDEs and other MCP compatible clients. And with that, Cortex also began to open source this and give you the same information that is accessible via the UI or the public API directly via your LLMs. So all the information is available on our public GitHub repository on Cortex Cortex/MCP. The only thing you need to have up and running is a Cortex personal access token, which you can create under settings, and an MCP client, something to the tune of Claude Desktop or IDEs like Cursor, VS Code, JetBrains, etc. And there's documentation to set up everything that you would need. I have already set it up on Claude Desktop just because that's the easiest and something that I use every day. So with that, the first time you set it up and restart the client, you'd see under Tools, Cortex has appeared. And by default, we give 20-something tools to access different kinds of information. If you don't have a paid account, you could disable some of these so that the context window is small, but by and large, everything should just work out the box. And with that, you can start asking it questions like, show me details about brain backend. And it will just go. The first time you use it, it will ask you for access, but after that, it'll start surfacing information. I've connected this to our test accounts on Cortex, and with that, it will start showing some information. So. As you can see, if you don't give it the exact tag, it tries to go through the search process and find the relevant entities. And after that, it will go and find everything and anything in the system. By default, I left the prompt very open-ended. I just said details. If I made this more specific, like give me on-call information or deployments information, then it would not have to go through and find everything. So here, I will pause for it to give us as much information as it can. It'll take a little bit of a minute. And now that it's found everything, it's going to summarize it for me at the end. So ownership, repository information, links that we have in the system, dependencies, this is test data again, recent deployments, who's been doing that, and scorecard details as well. The reason it took so much time was because the prompt was very open-ended, but if you make it more specific, then along the lines of what you're looking for, whether it's custom data or dependencies or on-call or deploys, it'll be significantly faster. Thank you.